Welcome to the Magento Search Engine Optimization tutorial provided by MagentoAssistance.com. Today we'll be reviewing basic search engine optimization techniques on Magento Community Edition version 1.7. Most of these techniques will be applicable across any Magento version. Today we're just going to cover quickly in 5 minutes all of the SEO settings that you need to make sure that you've set up under your system configuration. Some of our later videos will cover some of the more detailed optimization techniques you need in order to get discovered properly in search engines. So let's get started by going into your Magento administration console. We're going to go into the system configuration section. Start by clicking on General Web. You'll want to open the search engine optimization area and ensure that Use Web Server Rewrites is set to yes. If it's not, set it to yes and save your configuration. Next, we're going to go into General Design and go into the HTML head area. If you've just installed Magento, you'll see some default information for title, description, and keywords that is not particularly useful. You should fill this information with information about your store. So the default page title, let's say we're doing a furniture store, we'll put Frank's Furniture, handcrafted wood furniture since 1905. Leave prefix empty. Suffix is something that'll be put on the end of every title. I usually like to put the quick name of the store with a dash to distinguish it from the rest of the title information. Remove the default description and the default keywords altogether. Scroll down, ensure that default robots is set to index, follow, and go ahead and save this configuration. Next, we're moving on to catalog settings. Underneath search engine optimizations, you'll see a number of settings. Product URL suffix, it can be set to .html, that's totally fine. Category URL suffix is generally more favorable in search if you remove this altogether. Use categories path for product URLs should be set to no to avoid duplicate content problems. And both of your canonical link meta tags for categories and products should be set to yes, again to help avoid duplicate content problems with your web store. Save that configuration. Next, we're going to go into Google Sitemap underneath Catalog as well. Generation settings. Set this to yes. What it will do is help your sitemap update on a regular basis every single day. If you just leave the start time like this, it'll run it at midnight every night with a daily frequency. If you want to, put an error email recipient in there so that in the case that the sitemap doesn't execute properly, you will get notified about it. Save your configuration. Most of those config changes will require you to re-index some of your indexes. So re-index anything under System Index Management that requires it. And then, as always, after you make config changes, go into System Cache Management, select all of your caches, and give them a refresh. Those basic SEO techniques will have you well on your way to being a successful Magento website. To get additional Magento help, please visit our website at www.magentoassistance.com. We offer free Magento help. Submit any question that you have about your Magento store and we'll be happy to respond to it, and your question may even be featured in our next video tutorial. Thanks a lot.